2013 Dodge Challenger and inside 547 replacement the starter. First time you remove the battery, you remove the terminal battery. Put on the car jack. And to remove the cable and the connect, and remove the bolt here, bolt here, bolt here. Use the socket 50. And you remove the starter bottom here. Check the make sure the starter same the starter. This is switch no good, and you install the starter. You put the starter and the tightening this bolt, and this bolt. Use the socket 50. And the tightening the contact, put the contact and the tightening the bolt. Check to make sure the bolt. And you put the terminal cable. And you try. Okay, good. Thank you for you watching my video. Please put subscribe for me. Thank you. Next time I put the video.